From heatwave conditions last week back into winter this week, with snow possible in at least 6 of the 9 provinces, including Mpumalanga, the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, and a mixture of snow and rain also possible over the extreme southern parts of Gauteng. Now this Wednesday we have a cold front arriving in the southwestern Cape, already bringing much cooler conditions on Wednesday to the Western Cape, with a blast of ice cold air spreading behind this cold front over the central and later the eastern parts of the country, dropping freezing levels low enough for snow to start falling on Thursday over the high-lying areas in the Cape provinces as well as around the southern Drakensberg and Lesotho. But then on Friday, extremely cold conditions spreading over KwaZulu-Natal, parts of the Free State and the Highveld, where we are expecting significant snow over the southern Drakensberg, Lesotho, the bordering areas between KwaZulu-Natal, the Free State and Mpumalanga, and both the GFS model and the ECMWF model are picking up the likelihood of snow over the southern and eastern parts of the Free State. Then on Saturday, the freezing cold conditions spreading over the eastern parts of the country, with snow now likely in Mpumalanga and a mixture of snow and rain possible over the extreme southern parts of Gauteng. Now remember, the forecast is still a few days away and it can still change, but we'll continue to update you right here on Box Weather. Now we are expecting some heavy rain the next few days up until Saturday evening, with more than 50 millimeters of rain likely to accumulate over parts of Gauteng, northwest, the Free State, Mpumalanga, KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, so the snow might quickly melt if it falls with rain. A cold Wednesday for the southwestern parts of the country, Cape Town reaching a high of only 16, but hot conditions expected in the northeast, 34 this afternoon in Mbombela and 32 in Polokwane. Then on Thursday we can already see the much cooler conditions spreading into the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, remaining hot over the northeastern part of the country, temperatures close to 40 degrees Celsius in parts of Limpopo, but temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius over the high-lying areas in the Cape provinces. Then on Friday, very cold conditions expected around Lesotho, in KwaZulu-Natal, the Free State and the Eastern Cape, temperatures staying well below 10 degrees Celsius, only 8 in the afternoon in Bethlehem, much cooler conditions over the eastern parts of the country already, but remaining comfortable in Gauteng. Then on Saturday, we are expecting those very cold conditions to spread into Gauteng, Johannesburg reaching a high of only 10, Bethlehem reaching a high of only 7, but warmer conditions now expected in the west, Vredendal reaching a high of 28. Remember, during spring, the weather can be unpredictable due to the change of seasons, so the snow forecasts can still change, but one thing is for sure, it will be extremely cold on Friday and Saturday.